people, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this orange upside down cake. The entire measurement for this recipe would be in the display box below, the description box below. So to start, I'm going to be creaming my margarine, my sugar and my vegetable oil together until it is nice, fluffy and well incorporated. When everything is fluffy, I'm going to be adding my eggs one at a time, and I'm going to be giving this a good mix after adding each of my eggs. So next, I'll be adding all of my dry ingredients together, my baking powder, baking soda, and it's optional to use nutmeg, but I'll be using nutmeg for this recipe. So I'm going to be mixing this up together, and I'll be adding this into my butter. I'm going to divide my flour into 3 portions and my milk into 2 portions. So I'm going to be adding this into my butter, and I'm going to be sure that I'm creaming properly to incorporate all of my ingredients. So I'm going to be adding in my flavor at this time, and I'm going to be creaming properly to combine everything. So when my butter is ready, I'm going to be lining some of my orange slices at the bottom of my cake tins, prepared cake tins prepared with margarine or butter and then flour. So I'm going to be doing this, and then I'm also going to be pouring in my butter into my prepared cake tins, and I'm going to be baking in a preheated oven for 30 minutes or until its skewer comes out really clean. So I'm going to be topping this with some orange slices. You can use any toppings of your choice too. Maybe almond or any toppings of your choice. So guys, enjoy this recipe. I want you guys to try this and give me feedback. It's actually a new recipe that I formed myself, so I want you guys to try it and give me feedback. Love you.